Welcome. Today we'll find the derivative of a complex trigonometric function using the chain rule. Our function is y equals sine of x. Let's break this down step by step using the chain rule. The chain rule states that when we have a composite function, we multiply the derivative of the outer function by the derivative of the inner function. To make this easier, let's break our function into nested parts. Let's call u equals sine of x, v equals sine of u, and y equals sine of v. Now let's apply the chain rule. First, we take the derivative of sine of v with respect to v, which is cosine of v. Next, we take the derivative of sine of u with respect to u, which is cosine of u. Finally, we take the derivative of sine of x with respect to x, which is cosine of x. Now, by the chain rule, we multiply all these derivatives together to get our final answer. Substituting our derivatives, we get dy dx equals cosine of v times cosine of u times cosine of x. Now, let's substitute back our original expressions. Remember that v equals sine of u, and u equals sine of x. This gives us our final answer. The derivative of sine of x is cosine of x times cosine of x times cosine of x. Let's visualize how this works with a diagram. Each nested sine function is differentiated using the chain rule, and each derivative contributes a cosine term to our final answer. And that's how we find the derivative of sine of x using the chain rule. Thank you for watching.